Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your US Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then search for US Bank mortgage login on the Google search bar. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of US Bank. If you are leaded to this site over here, you can see that on the top right hand corner there is a login option. Click on login and then it will lead you to this portal where you can type in your username, your password and click login. This way you can successfully log in to your US Bank mortgage account. You can see on the top right hand side there's account login section. You can choose the account login type, which is your online banking, online investing, business banking, corporate and commercial, and institutional. After that, write down your username, write down your password. You can hide or unhide the password anytime, and if you click on this button over here, this box, you can enable your username to be remembered by your browser. If you are having any kind of problems, click Get Login Help and then you can reset your password or reset your username quite easily. If you don't have an account, click Create a Username and Password and then you can create a US Bank mortgage account for yourself. Now, if you are leaded to this page, just simply click Login. It will lead you to a separate login portal where you can write down the previous entities like username, password and click login. You can successfully log into your US Bank mortgage account this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.